Hi, and thanks for joining us today. I'm in studio with Annalie Visica, private entity partner here at Davidson & Company. Since our last episode on principal residences, we've had a lot of follow-up questions requesting Annalie go into a little more detail about what if you are selling an investment property. Annalie, how do you do that capital gains calculation if it's an investment property?
What you do is you use your proceeds of disposition and your adjusted cost base. So say for instance your proceeds of disposition is $750,000 and your cost base is $500,000, then your capital gain will be $250,000. Now in Canada we only get taxed on 50% of the capital gain, so $125,000 will be taxed on your marginal rates.
Okay, so what if I lived in the house for a portion of the time and then I rented it out?
Well, Bahar, at the time that you change from a principal residence to a rental property, you will have a change of use. At that point in time, you need to determine what the fair market value of the property was and actually disclose it on your principal residence exemption form. That is what you'll be using as your proceeds for your principal residence exemption. Make sure that you file it in the year that you actually have the change of use with your tax return.
Okay, now how do I find my fair market value?
Look at what similar properties in your neighborhood was sold for, or look at your property tax assessment for the year.
I've also heard some people have gotten a professional appraisal at the time of the property going into rental status. What are your thoughts on that?
That's a great point, Bar. Getting an evaluation or appraisal at the time of the change of use is always a good idea. You may have to be in a situation where you have to justify to the CRA what value you use, and using a professional appraisal would definitely be good.
Thank you so much, Annalie. I will definitely be hiring an appraiser. If you have any questions for Annalie, please send us an email at taxtalks@davidson-co.com. Thanks, everyone.